Boy, these Jolly Ranchers hit me, huh?
That's disgusting.
Nah, I'm joking. But now today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to damn, I can't even stop playing now.
346 minutes later.
Got juicy. All right, there we go. All right, so
2,000 years
woo!
later.
All right, here we go. So what I'm gonna be showing you guys today is how to find carriers using the fmcsa. I'm gonna show you how I use it to find carriers, right? So what you want to do is you want to go to the fmcsa licensing, CSA licensing. Now, when we go grab that, now we want to go and we want to grab the licensing and insurance homepage. Licensing and insurance homepage. So we're gonna come over here. Now you see there's a drop-down menu right here. This drop-down menu, that's cool. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to FMCSA register, okay? Now this is gonna be another way that you're able to verify your carriers as well. Make sure that they are active and everything too. Before I clicked on this, this is the new carriers every day. Everybody that apply for the authority, they show that. All the brokers that apply for the authority, they show that. They show all of this stuff. So you're able to go find people that's new to the game, just in case you want to go work with them. You want to build some type of thing with them. So what you want to do is you're going to scroll down all the way until you see non-fitness. What you do is you grab that MC number like this, and you're going to copy that thing. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to make a duplicate tab. When you make that duplicate tab, you're going to back up one, so you can get over here to this drop-down menu. You're going to hit carrier search. You're going to click on go. When you click on that carrier search, and you click on go, why we got to verify ourselves to make sure that we not robots, instead of robots verifying that they not human. The heck, man? See, they trying to take us over with this AI stuff, man. I'm trying to tell you. As we see, the authority status, they don't have the authority status yet, right? So that could mean one of two things. Either they already started, you see what I'm saying? And then they stop because whatever reason, or they're trying to get started and they did not get the insurance on file yet. So as you see the insurance on file, there is none. So what we would have to do is, in this case, we know either they just got out of the business or they're trying to get into the business. So if they're trying to get into the business, do you have anything that you can help them with? Now, that could be dispatcher services. That could be helping them get their MC authority together. That could be a number of things, right? If they have their insurance on file and they are active, are you a dispatcher? Are you a broker? Do you sell freaking commercial insurance for trucks? Do you sell life insurance? Do you sell health insurance? Do you have lawyers on day? Like, at the end of the day, it's about networking with other companies. You see what I'm saying? Do you have a tire shop that you went and got good with, to where you able to add that as a service of you becoming a dispatcher or you being a dispatcher or a broker? So many times I see people that have they have these companies, right? But with them having a company, they just offering dispatching services. How many people gonna be offering that same service? And then the thing about it is, when you see it, especially on social media, right? They're like, oh yeah, we'll do all your road planning and your paperwork, your back office paperwork and blah, 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 blah.
I must have felt stuff.
But this is the thing that's so crazy about it, is because what makes you different from everybody else? That's one. Two, that's your job, right? So like, what do you have that's extra that's gonna make me or make Jim or make Pam want to deal with you because you are adding more value to their company? Okay? What are you doing that's going to add more value to their company? Sometimes that might come as you partnering with someone else that has nothing to do with trucking. You know, maybe you know someone that got a bunch of land somewhere, and you like, hey, you know what? Like, we might be able to help these carriers out with this, right? Maybe there's, you know someone that sells health insurance in the state that they're in, right? And you go and you partner with someone that's an insurance agent, right? And now you helping them get money and they helping you get money. Y'all getting money. Too many times am I seeing people that's so focused on trucking and then don't have the training, don't know the wording, you know, and then they changing their rates because they see what everybody else doing. No, charge what you charge because of what value you're giving. If you're giving value, then someone got to pay for that value. And it doesn't matter how many clients you get, because like at the end of the day, let's just say you had a client that they made you $100 a week. Let's say you got 5 clients that made you $100 a week, right? I mean, we're just going to use this for simplistic numbers just to keep it easy. So that means that you made $500 that week, right? Or you could get 3 clients that's paying you $1,000 a week because of the value that you give. So now not only do you have less clients, which means that maybe you're not working around the clock, right? In which none of the students that go to iDispatch work around the clock for the simple fact that we have some cheat codes, right? Some of that awesome sauce that we put on it to where we make sure that, you know what, some days we just call and just check in and make sure everything good. But for the most part, we got that carrier moving, right? So that's what you want to do. You want to figure out a way for you to stand out in the marketplace. And there's ways for you to do that. If you want to learn more tricks like this, you want to learn more tips like this, you want to come to one of these trainings, I do a training free every Saturday at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So you guys make sure that you come and you check in for that. All right, man. Y'all stay up.